Alright guys, Piff here. Welcome back, and today we're going to talk about the Dreambuds by Koast Audio. It's been a few days since I got the Redmi AirDots 2, and since I'm quite satisfied with it, I thought I'd also buy a pair for my daughter. And unfortunately, she said no, buy me something else. She's into music and stuff like rearranging and composing, and I'm sure she knows her stuff well. Alex definitely likes wired audio, and she doesn't like plugs. So here it is, a classic flathead headset, the Dreambuds 1.0. Let's check it out. Let's do this. Okay, so we'll be testing the Dreambuds by calling someone through the internet. The BM800 is still functioning, so I'll be switching it now. Okay, so the BM800 is now off and Dreambuds now on. Test, test, 1 2 1 2. Test, mic 1 2 1 2. Test, mic 1 2 1 2. Test, mic 1 2 1 2. Okay, let's do this. Hello?
Hello.
Kumusta?
Mm,
Ah,
mm,
Ganahan ko makabaw sa quality sa sound sa imuhang Dreambuds. Um,
klaro kayo.
Klaro kayo,
Mm,
maklaro ra nimo.
klaro jud kayo as
Ah,
in.
Klaro jud kayo, wala siya static, wala siya kuan,
Wala.
wala siya static. Okay, kanang i-try na kog palayo
Wa.
ang microphone kung unsa ang quality. Madunggan ba ko nimo mga 1 meter ang gilayon sa microphone sa baba, okay? Wait lang.
Okay.
Kadawa pa kanako?
Oh, katungog kayo. Clear kayo. Ni clear Japon. Pero mas gusto jud to kanina.
Pasok to
Mm.
kanina.
Kay doon
Nindot
man
kayo
ka.
ang quality sa imong kuan ay.
Mm.
Okay, so I guess nahuman na ta. Okay, thank you. I will give your Dreambuds tomorrow. Night night.
Okay, friends. Bye.
Bye
Night.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, for the pros. You may say there are so many other cheaper options than this, but compared to the quality and customization of the Dreambuds, it's very hard to find a cheaper alternative. Period. The braided cable is definitely a big plus. I'm sure it won't break that easily. As far as customization goes, you can customize a color combination to match your style. Just select the custom color when you buy and ask first if they are available. The wooden case and tribal beads for me are super awesome and unique. It reminds me of House of Marley, and the sound quality is impressive. A good powerful bass with clear mids and highs. The microphone may not be the best for broadcasting, but it has a decent noise isolation. It also has a clear static-free call experience. As of the moment, I couldn't get the exact specifications, such as the driver size, the custom plug that they're using. Seems like it's rhodium plated, anodized aluminum, and carbon fiber. Just check the description. I'll soon update it as soon as I get the info. And lastly, the best thing, it's locally made. Gawang Pinoy, a Philippine company. I'm more than happy to support them and see them rise. The customer service is also very cool, and just make sure you chat with them first if you have questions to get the most out of your purchase. Okay, here it is. The cons. The design could be better if they include physical buttons for volume controls. Though the accent is ethnic, tribal style, it's still plastic. So, And since I'm more of an over-ear headset guy, I don't see myself choosing this over my VH200 or my V2. I also prefer plugs than the classic flathead, but that's just my preference. If you don't like flatheads, there are some other options in their shop that you may like plugs or even Bluetooth. Just check it out. And that's my take on the Dreambuds 1.0. I hope to see more improvements in the next version. Tell me your thoughts on these custom earphones. Do you like the concept of customizing your own headset? Comment your comments in the comments below. Like and share if you find this video useful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for future videos like this one. That's it for now. See you on the next video. God bless.